to access Grok through Twitter. By now, a lot of you must have been hearing that you can access Grok through Twitter, and this will actually help you to generate AI videos. So in this video, I'm not going to gatekeep you. I'm going to show you step by step how it works, because you don't just go there and say, Twitter, give me Grok. No, this is actually how it works and how you can do it. So in this video, I'm just going to simplify that and make it very clean and clear with you. So sit with me to the end of this video. Under your profile, you'll see premium. You click on the premium. When you click on the premium, this will come up. Premium. Click on premium. Basic. This basic does not have Grok. No, don't subscribe. Now, when we move to premium, 600 per month. Now, this is the one you can subscribe, and you have access to generate videos with Grok, but it is not unlimited. Okay, what do I mean by it's not unlimited? So if you can pay like this, it's actually your own favor. It's paid for. Now if you move to premium plus, you will access super Grok, like everything about Grok. You are going to access it. And how much are you paying? You're paying 39,000 every month. After you must have finished subscribing to Twitter premium, you open Grok. They will now say continue with Google, continue with Apple. You are going to say continue with X. Continue with X. Continue with X. You are going to tap on the account you want Grok to actually access. You authorize the app. That's how you'll be able to generate videos in Grok through your Twitter subscription. I hope it is very clear. So now let me know which AI editing or tools you want me to review next to you. See you in my next video.